Today I am reviewing the Shinco 12 Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and smart cooling solution for your home or office, the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is definitely worth considering. This unit is packed with features that make it a standout in the world of portable ACs, offering efficient cooling, easy control, and multiple modes to suit your environment and lifestyle. First off, the cooling power of this Shinco air conditioner is impressive. With a capacity of 12,000 BTU, it's perfectly suited to cool rooms up to 400 square feet. Whether you have a bedroom, office, living room, or studio space, this unit can quickly bring down the temperature even during the hottest summer days. It supports an adjustable temperature range from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to set your ideal level of comfort. So no matter if you prefer a brisk chill or a milder cool, this AC has you covered. One of the standout features of this model is its smart connectivity via the Smart Life app. Once connected to your home Wi-Fi, you can control the air conditioner right from your smartphone or tablet. This means you can turn the unit on or off, adjust the temperature, change fan speeds, and even set timers without getting up. Imagine coming home on a scorching day to a perfectly cooled room, all controlled remotely with a few taps. This smart functionality truly adds convenience to your life, making comfort effortless. Speaking of modes, the Shinco Portable AC offers a handy 3-in-1 function. It works not only as a traditional air conditioner, but also as a fan and a dehumidifier. The fan mode helps circulate air on milder days when cooling isn't necessary, while the dry mode can remove up to 43.2 liters of moisture per day. The built-in self-evaporating system means you don't have to worry about emptying water buckets, which is a huge plus for continuous, hassle-free operation. This versatility ensures you can use the unit year-round, adapting it to different weather conditions and personal preferences. Installation is also a breeze with this Shinco unit. The package includes everything you need: a 59-inch telescopic exhaust hose, a window sealing kit designed for sliding windows, and all necessary hardware. The window kit is cleverly designed to fit most sliding windows, creating a secure seal to exhaust hot air efficiently outside. The entire setup can be completed in minutes without needing extra tools or professional help. This ease of installation makes it ideal for renters, dorm rooms, or anyone who wants a plug-and-play cooling solution. Portability is another key aspect to highlight. This air conditioner is relatively compact and comes with 4 smooth rolling casters, allowing you to move it easily from room to room. Whether you want to cool your bedroom at night and then roll it into the living room during the day, or take it to the office, the lightweight design and wheels make it highly maneuverable and user-friendly. For ease of use, the unit features a clear LED display on the front, showing the temperature and current mode. You also get a remote control with an impressive range of up to 23 feet, so you can make adjustments from anywhere in the room. Additional convenient features include a swing function to distribute cool air evenly, and a 24-hour timer that lets you schedule when a unit turns on or off. This means you can set it to start cooling before you wake up or turn off automatically after you fall asleep, saving energy and ensuring comfort. Overall, the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a well-rounded, efficient, and smart device perfect for small to medium-sized rooms. It offers powerful cooling, quiet operation, multiple modes, and smart control options, all packed into a portable, easy-to-install design. Whether you want to beat the summer heat, reduce humidity, or just keep the air circulating, this unit has everything you need. It's a fantastic investment for anyone seeking convenience, performance, and smart home integration in a portable AC.